Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in this video I'm going to give a quick recap of mitosis and meiosis. So what is mitosis? Mitosis is a type of cell division in which the cell divides into two daughter identical cells. And the mitosis is occurred in the haploid cell only. Since the number of chromosome in the parent and the progeny is same, it is also called as the equational division. Mitosis help in the cell growth and repair of the body tissues in the multicellular organism. Let's look at the stages of the mitosis. There are different stages of mitosis. First is the interphase. Interphase is the longest phase and there are the few phases of the interphase. G1, S and G2 phase. In the G1 phase lies between the M and the S phase. In the G1 phase, the cell division takes place, and in the G1 phase, the cell is metabolically active and continuously growing but does not replicate its DNA. In the S phase, the synthesis of DNA takes place. During this time, the amount of DNA per cell double. If the initial amount of DNA is denoted as 2C, then if the initial amount of DNA is denoted as 2C, then it increases to the 4C. However, there is no increase in the chromosome number. In the S phase, not only DNA replicate but also centrioles also duplicates in the cytoplasm. During the G2 phase, the growth and the protein is synthesized. Now, prophase. Prophase is marked by the initiation and condensation of the chromosomal material. The chromosomal material condenses to form the compact mitotic structures. The chromosomal material condenses to form the compact mitotic chromosome. Cells at the end of the prophase, when viewed, does not show Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, and nuclear envelope also. Next, moving to the metaphase. Metaphase is marked by the chromosome align themselves and the metaphasic plate. And this is the best stage at which the morphology of the chromosome can be easily studied. Chromosomes are moved to the spindle equator and get aligned along the metaphasic plate through the spindle fibers to the both planes. Next, moving to the anaphase is marked by the centromere split हो जाते हैं और chromatid separate हो जाती हैं. This stage ensured that each cell contain identical chromosome after splitting, and centromere split, chromatid move to the opposite poles. टेलोफेज में जो सेल था दो न्यूक्लियाई में डिवाइड हो जाता है एंड फॉर्म अ सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. At this phase, the chromosome identity is completely lost. Nuclear envelope develop around the chromosome cluster, nucleus, Golgi, and ER complex is reformed in this telophase. So, cytokinesis is cell itself divide into two daughter cell by the separation of the cytoplasm. This is called the cytokinesis. And in the animal cell, this is achieved by the appearance of the furrow in the plasma membrane. And in the plant cell, it is formed by the formation of the cell plate and the middle lamella. And this is the whole process of the mitosis. These are the whole process of mitosis as you can see here. Next, moving with the meiosis. Meiosis is a specialized kind of cell division that reduces the chromosome number by the half and result in the production of haploid daughter cell. और उसमें 4 डॉटर सेल्स बनते हैं एंड मियोसिस अकर ओनली इन द रिप्रोडक्टिव सेल्स. Meiosis ensured the production of haploid phase in the life cycle of the sexually reproducing organism, whereas fertilization restored the diploid phase. And it also makes sure that each cell contain the correct number of the chromosome. Now look at the status of the meiosis. First stage is the prophase 1. As you all can see here, the prophase 1 condenses the nucleus and breakdown. The prophase 1 is the longest phase of meiosis and it is divided into further 5 stages. As you can all see here, it is leptotene, zygotine, pectine and diplotin. In leptotene, prophase begin, the chromosomes start to condense. And in the zygotine, synapses occurs, pairing of the chromosome occurs, and in the pectine, crossing over of the DNA is occurred, and in the diplotin, the synapses end and the formation of the chiasmata occurs. And in the dikinesis is marked by the terminalization of chiasmata. इन सभी स्टेटस को याद करने की ट्रिक है लता ज़रा पानी दे दो. नेक्स्ट मूविंग ऑन टू द मेटाफेज. मेटाफेज में एज यूजुअल क्रोमोसोम अलाइन हो जाते हैं टू द मेटाफेसिक प्लेट में. एनाफेज में क्रोमोसोम पेड़ सेपरेट हो जाते हैं और क्रोमाटिड जो है सेपरेट हो जाते हैं और हाफ द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम होते हैं. टीलोफेज में 2 न्यू न्यूक्लियाई बन जाते हैं और साइटोप्लाज्म स्प्लिट हो जाती है इनटू 2 डॉटर सेल आर फॉर्म्ड. देन प्रोफेज 2 में जहाँ पर और 2 सेल बनते हैं, दिस एंश्योर दैट यहाँ पर 4 सेल बनते हैं, क्रोमोसोम कंडेंस्ड हो जाता है एज यूजुअल इन द प्रोफेज में. प्रोफेज 2 में दोनों में क्रोमोसोम कंडेंस. मेटाफेज में क्रोमोसोम अलाइंग ऑन द सिंगल सेंट्रल लाइन और दिस the chromosome align on the equator and attached to the spindle fiber with the help of the kinetochores. Next moving to the anaphase. anaphase में sister chromatid separate हो जाते हैं और ये ensure करता है कि सिर्फ हैप्लॉइड ही आपके सेल रहे और उसका हाफ द जेनेटिक मटेरियल हर सेल में पहुँचे. टीलोफेज में फिर यहाँ पर 4 सेल्स बन जाते हैं और हर एक के पास न्यूक्लियस, गोल्गी अपैरेटस और जो साइटोप्लाज्म है सब उसके पास से फिर से रीफॉर्म हो सकता है. देन दिस इज द एंड. This is the whole process of meiosis, the first phase and the second phase. I hope आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. मेक श्योर ये हिट द लाइक बटन और अभी तक अपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए ओके.